When a magnet moves in a coil of wire, an EMF, an electric motive force, is generated and we can produce electricity. Like this device here, where we have two small, strong neodymium magnets moving in the coil, sufficient electricity to light the LEDs. There are variations on this, like this hand torch, which does likewise with a system of gears and moves the magnet very fast. Another variation called the Faraday torch. Once again, the magnet is moving in a coil of wire. You can make your own version of similar by using the water pump from a washing machine. By simply soldering on two LEDs, one in forward bias to the rotation and the other in reverse bias to the rotation, we can make an AC generator that at each half turn produces enough electricity to light the LED.